The beginning and the end of the rainy season are very challenging. One should be very cautious about their health as it is associated with various diseases such as diarrheal, liver infections, respiratory illness, diseases like malaria and dengue. It emphasizes the importance of sanitation, vaccination, and proper vaccine. Monsoon season's rain may be refreshing after scorching heat of summer season, but it brings along with it number of viral infections, making it crucial to take preventive measures. The stagnant water around creates a breeding place for virus and bacteria. For instance, dengue. This is a viral infection caused by dengue virus. This virus is transmitted through the Aedes mosquitoes. Dengue can cause hemorrhagic fever, which at times can be life threatening. Symptoms are high fever, severe headache, pain in eyes. There can be joint and muscle pain. Skin rashes can also appear, and there can be mild bleeding from nose and gums. There is no specific treatment for dengue fever. Should keep yourself hydrated with plenty of fluids and should rest to help the body to fight infection. For pain and fever, medicines can be taken. If symptoms worsen, such as severe abdominal pain, persistent vomiting, and on rapid breathing, one should immediately consult the doctor. To avoid mosquito bite, one should use mosquito repellents and nets. Can install insect screens. Malaria is caused by Plasmodium parasites. It is transmitted to humans by female Anopheles mosquitoes. Symptoms are fever and chills, maybe headache, nausea and vomiting. Can suffer from fatigue, muscle and joint pain. Should drink plenty of fluids and should go for anti-malarial drugs. Chikungunya is a viral disease. It is also infected by the mosquito bites. The symptoms are sudden onset of fever with severe joint pain. Severe headaches can also occur and may suffer from fatigue. Pain relievers, hydration, and adequate amount of rest helps the body to recover. You may have heard little about leptospirosis bacterial infection. It is caused by water or soil contaminated by the urine of the infected animals in monsoon season. This bacteria may spread through the flooding of the rainwater. If not treated properly, this can lead to severe health complications. Symptoms can be high fever, headache, chills, vomiting, muscle pain, can suffer from red eyes. Leptospirosis can be treated by antibiotics. Hydration and rest is advised. In cases of severe pain, pain relievers can be used. If the symptoms worsen, it is advised to see your doctor. In this season, wading through floodwater should be avoided. Should control rodent movements. In monsoon season, one can suffer from typhoid. Typhoid is a bacterial infection caused by Salmonella typhi, primarily transmitted through contaminated food and water. Typhoid can be life-threatening. Symptoms are prolonged fever, maybe headache, and loss of appetite with abdominal pain. In monsoon season, number of people suffer from cholera. Cholera is an acute diarrheal illness caused by the bacterium Vibrio cholerae. It spreads through contaminated food and water. Cholera leads to severe dehydration and in number of cases can lead to death if not treated immediately and properly. Symptoms are severe diarrhea and vomiting, can suffer from dehydration and rapid heart rate due to loss of water. Should go for oral rehydration solutions, ORS, antibiotics, and maybe zinc supplements. Proper sanitation and hand hygiene should be maintained. Should go for cholera vaccines. In this season, one can suffer from gastroenteritis. It is caused by bacterial or parasitic infections. It spreads through contaminated water and food. Diarrhea, vomiting, abdominal pain, fever and dehydration can be the symptoms. Should go for ORS. Should drink plenty of water. and should consume easily digestible food. Should also take measures to prevent fungal infections. Should avoid getting wet on rainy day to avoid cold and flu. Should avoid conditions like jaundice by drinking safe water and ensure that food is thoroughly cooked. Should wash your hands thoroughly. This is Bright Lifestyle. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for joining.